Good morning.
Sunday morning, bank holiday weekend. It was a bit cloudy this morning, but the sun's out now.
We even had a little sprinkle of rain, didn't we?
It was like
20 seconds.
I don't even think it was 20, but yeah, there was maybe something fell from the sky. It might have been a flock of seagulls, but who knows. But yeah, we're going to have a walk into St. Bees, see what we can learn about the history of the Abbey.
Yeah.
And St. Bega.
St. Bega.
Came from Ireland to here. Must have come for better weather. But we'll go and see what we can find. Is the main road of St. Bees. It shows it's probably older history when it was far more affluent, but when the Methodist church is for sale, you've got to wonder what's going on. And of course at the moment things are very quiet, hardly any pubs open, but that's called the Oddfellows. It's almost got our name written on it.
You'd be alright in there.
Yeah, maybe we would. Yeah, but we're just going to go and see if we can grab a secret and one only geocache that's in this area. So I'll come back to you later. We're down on the seafront and we were just talking to a local. He's looking for his guests to arrive for his guest house, and we were reading that there used to be a mill here, just being fed off this small beck. Stood here until it was 1960s. It had a 1.5 mile long mill race to gather the speed of the water up to power the mill wheel, the water wheel. But it's long gone now. It's just a couple of horses and the seashore. The tide's gone out a long way, doing the sea flats. Here we have Helen and Buffy trying to negotiate the very slippy pebbles.
We won't do like you did.
Yeah, I nearly fell on my camera, shall we say, because I thought I'd just go rock hopping like I used to when I was young, and they were covered in like a brown slippy sand, just like that one there where the dog slid on it.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, so look, you can see the dog print in that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just making our way down onto the sandy bit, and then we're going to walk up to the headland and maybe put the drone up, get a shot of the cliffs.
And either have a cup of tea or a beer.
Yes, see if Hartley's, I think it's called Hartley's Tea Shop and Beachfront is open. Oh, I'm heading towards the water here, I'm going to have to go round. Oh dear.
Okay.
This is what happens when you're trying to talk to the camera and film. mysterious concrete base to a structure. Maybe it was a radio tower that actually transmitted over to what we have now discovered is the Isle of Man in the distance, just there. 30 miles away. Don't look that far. We've had a lovely day just mooching around St. Bees. We just had a little walk up to the headland. It's just amazing how far you can see on a good day. Scaffold Pike, over there or there, it's one of them, about 16 mile away. Got Sellafield over there, called the Hall as it used to be. That's probably about 8-10 mile away. And we're just walking our way back down the path towards the town. Hopefully go and get another beer. But it's not been a bad day, has it?
It's been a beautiful day. A little bit windy in places, which has cooled everything down. But I think once you get out of the wind, it's been quite warm enough for me to have my coat undone.
Yeah, and I've got my coat off, and I actually feel like I might have frazzled my head again.
Yeah, well, frazzling your head it's like a life's mission.
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah, it is. Well, you look a bit silly if you've got a hat on like this.
Do you?
Well, yeah, because it's not that sunny. But yeah,
gloriously sunny. But
it's been good.
Yeah, it does.
Put the drone up a little bit.
Yeah.
Got some good footage of the cliffs and so on. So that'll all be following in. Or you probably have seen it by now. But yeah,
we've got some ideas of things to do in the days to come, haven't we?
Yeah, I might jump on the railway, do Estee or look to Ravenglass on the Ravenglass Railway. Might walk to Whitehaven. It looked like they've got an amazing harbour there. The harbours are always good for getting a bit of footage on. They always come out well.
Or we might go in the car.
Or we might go in the car. Don't know. We'll see.
We will.
But catch you later.